everyone, today we're gonna make chicken tahchin. This is one of the traditional Persian food. I hope you like it. Okay, the first step is to cook the chicken. So you can either cook it in a pot with 1 quart of water and 1 onion and 1 garlic and a little bit of saffron and let it boil for about an hour. Or you can make it into the oven. So what I did, I marinated the chicken with a little bit of saffron, onion and oil, and I'm gonna put it into the pan. So you would cook your chicken at 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until they're all fully cooked. After you bake your chicken, you would marinate it in a mixture of yogurt and saffron. So I add a little bit of saffron to the yogurt. And then you would mix it. After you mix your chicken with your marinade, then you would let it sit in a refrigerator for about 2 hours. Okay, to make the rice, you bring 2 quarts of water into boiling, and then you would drain your rice and you would add it into it. And then you would let it boil for about 5 minutes. After your rice boils for 5 to 6 minutes and become a little tender, then you would drain it. Now to make the tahchin rice, you would add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. So basically the ratio of the egg to your rice is for every 2 cups of rice, you would add 1 egg yolk. And if you're only making 2 cups of rice, then you would use 1 whole egg. So you would add your egg with the egg yolk and you would mix it. Then you would add the saffron. Then you would add the yogurt. Then you would add the oil. Okay, after you mix all the ingredients, then you would add the rice. Okay, now we want to assemble the tahchin. So you should grease an oven-safe dish and you should put a little bit of rice at the bottom of it. And you should make it smooth and just press it a little bit with a little bit of pressure, not a lot. You don't want to squeeze them too much. Then you would put 1 layer of chicken. You don't want to put the chicken close to the edge of the dish because that would make it prettier. You would add again another layer of rice. And you would continue this until all your ingredients is finished. Okay, after you assemble your tahchin, you will put a sheet of aluminum on top of it. And then you would put it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour to hour and a half. Okay everyone, our tahchin dish is ready. For decoration, I used a little bit of barberry with almond and saffron. I hope you enjoyed this dish and thank you for watching.